Hello, it's Shu here. Do you think it's possible to build a house using a Bronze Age axe from 3,000 years ago? Well, let's draw an axe and see what you think. We're going to plan this out in pencil very gently, and then we'll do the drawing in ink on the top, and then we'll erase all that pencil so no one will ever know how you drew it so brilliantly. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it. We're going to start with kind of the back of the axe head, like that. And we're going to come out and curve up, out and curve down, and join those two with a curve. We're going to want a little loop there as well, because that's going to hold it onto the handle. Now the handle is, if you imagine a branch of a tree that's coming down, so there's the tree, like that. The branch comes down like this. Then what you need to do is to cut it there and cut it there and cut it there. And this is going to be the axe handle. So we're going to shove that piece into there, and then that'll be sort of cut off there. And then we want the handle coming around like that. And then here, this is like a little loop. Then we can tie that on with leather or something like that. Now we can start drawing in ink, and we have to think about what's the nearest thing to us. And I would say it would be this bit here, which is going to be pulling the axe head on, because you don't want it falling off, do you? And then that's going to be wrapped around a couple of times like that, isn't it? And then we'd probably want a knot there as well. So then we can draw the rest of that metal loop that's in the castings. So these bronze axe heads, they're made by creating a model of it in wax, and then you put sand all around it, and then you leave a little hole, and then you pour in boiling hot molten bronze, which is made from copper and tin, and then the wax just melts, and in the space that's left by the melted wax, all the bronze comes rushing in and takes up the shape of the wax axe head shape that you had there before. And that's how it's done. So we can maybe draw a bit of pattern on there as well. Let's put another one down there, and then another one in the middle is going to sort of come to about there. So that's the actual bronze axe head. And then we're going to have the piece of wood, this kind of branch bit like that. It's going to come down, 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 like that. And then maybe they've rounded off the end there as well. And it's going to be a bit sort of woody, isn't it? So we can maybe make these kind of woody marks like that. And it's possible that this could be kind of string or something like that they made out of leather or out of anything, grass, stuff like that. And I'm just going to draw that in there so that you can see where it has come from, like that. There. And so we're going to cut that there, and cut that there. And that makes this handle. And then all we need to do is to erase those pencil lines, and no one will know how you got to do that so neatly. Colour in the axe head a bronze kind of colour, and the wood in a wood colour, and the string in a string colour. Thanks for watching, and for lots more Bronze Age stuff, come and join me on Patreon for stories, quizzes, stuff, drawings, you name it. In the meantime, make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy on YouTube, because I'll be back with lots more drawings. Thanks for watching. You take care now. Bye-bye.